Here is Break Every Chain in the key of C. This one is super beautiful and it's super easy. So I love that you guys are here, that you can learn how simple it is to play along with some of these favorite songs that you've always been dying to play. Okay, so make sure to stop the video right now. Click on the description because I have the printable chord sheet for you to follow along. And if you don't want to kind of go through the tutorial portion of this video, make sure to click on the description as well, because I have kind of a skip through portion where you can just watch me play top to bottom and you can just join right in without the tutorial. So here we go. We are going to learn three main chords, C, F, G, and then our A minor is our only extra chord. Okay, so we're going to start out with the chorus like they start out in this song. It's an A minor first, which is A, C, E. Every other note there is A minor. Then they're gonna hop to the F, down 2 notes, F, A, C, F chord right there, okay? C chord is normally C, E, G, but I'm gonna actually cheat and bring the G down to the bottom, and I'll show you why in a minute. So we're gonna play G, C, E for our C chord. And then our G chord ends the chorus first line with G, B, D, G chord. All right, so review the 4 chords. A minor, F, C, and G. Pretty simple. Okay, the F chord, the C chord is normally C, E, G, like I said. I don't want to be hopping all over the keyboard, so I'm going to invert that 1 chord only for you, just because it's a lot more simple to go from A minor, F, C to G rather than hop up here to the C, okay? And you guys can, that's what's fun about chording accompaniment, is there's so much flexibility, so do what feels comfortable for you. Okay, so I'm gonna also teach you how I implement the left hand. Super simple. I play 1 note and I don't move my hand the entire time. So I'm gonna play, I'm gonna keep my pinky finger on F. So I'm gonna play the A when I play the A chord. Okay, 1 note over here, chord over here. Then I'm gonna play the F chord to the F note in my left hand. Okay, C note, and here's where we're gonna do that inverted C. And then our G chord to G on the bass, okay? All right, so let's just walk through how we put those 2 hands together in the chorus. It starts out, there is power in the name of Jesus. And you could just block chord that, just 1 to 1. You know, you're just going bum, 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 okay? There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power. You could just build a little anticipation here. Jesus, break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. Notice how I just added together, right, kind of as you build up that chorus, okay? Then you have a little instrumental, which you're going through the same chords, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G. And you can, through that instrumental, you can kind of just do together, then just the right hand, together, right hand, together, right hand, together, and so on. The verse, there's only 1 verse in this song, which I love because it's super simple. You're going through the exact same chords again, so there's nothing new. It just changes kind of the, it kind of comes down. Normally songs don't start with chorus and then verse, but I love how this kind of like, the verse is kind of like bringing the I don't know. It's just really intense song. It's really neat how they build the power up through the chorus first, but then they kind of bring it down in the verse. Okay, so the all sufficient sacrifice. Notice I'm just doing that together, right, okay? So freely given such a price, brought our redemption, heaven's gates swing wide. And then just finish out the F, C, and G. Okay, and then they build up into the chorus too. And they just repeat that over and over and over. A minor, F, C, G. There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up. So break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. And you can just go through that over and over and over, or however suits you. So I'm going to play it top to bottom here. You can always go back to the beginning if you're having any trouble with the chords. Like I said, this is like super simple because it just goes A minor, F, C, G through every single chorus and verse. So have fun. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. Break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. And all sufficient sacrifice, so freely given, such a price, brought our redemption, heaven's gates spring wide. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. To break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. There's an army rising up to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. To break every chain, break every chain, break every chain.